Okay, today's project, I'm going to create a scene using thermal laminate sheets, sublimation, and this light box. And I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so I have my laminator heating up, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to laminate a pouch with nothing in it. I'm just going to put it through the laminator and let it heat it up. Do that quickly. Okay, that's done. As you can see, it's just a double thickness laminate sheet. Go ahead and turn this off. We don't need that anymore. Okay, now I'm getting my laminate sheet. I'm going to place my sublimation print on top, and then I'm going to secure it with heat-resistant tape. I'm going to place some butcher paper down on my heat mat, and then I will put my laminate sheet and paper on top, and then I'll put another piece of butcher paper on top of that. Okay, the temperature we're using is 385, and we'll be pressing it for 60 seconds. Okay, I'm going to spin it around and do another 60 seconds just because I want to make sure that the ink really imprints on there. Okay, when I made the design, I intentionally put some lines in the design so I know where to cut, so now we're going to trim it down. And there it is. So now we just turn on the light, and you can see a stained glass image of Santa. This works because the sublimation ink is transparent, so the light just shines right through it. So I hope you give this project a try. Make sure you like and follow for more, and if you have any questions, just drop them below. Thanks for watching.